Figma Inverted Border Radius. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open the Windows Start menu on your desktop. Once the Start menu appears, search for Google Chrome in the taskbar search field and open the Google Chrome browser application from the results. After the browser has loaded completely, enter Figma in the search bar and click the official Figma website from the search results. Before continuing, ensure you have already logged into your Figma account so you can access your projects and design files. After signing in successfully, the Figma main page will load in your browser. For this tutorial, select a previous project from your recent files. Once you click the project, the edit page will open and display your design canvas along with all available tools and layers. Next, locate the rectangle tool in the toolbar and click it. Move your cursor onto the canvas and draw a rectangle over your frame where you want the inverted border radius effect to appear. Click, hold, and drag until the rectangle reaches the desired size. Then release the mouse button. After creating the first rectangle, create a second rectangle that is smaller than the first one. Position this smaller shape so it overlaps the larger rectangle in the area where you want the inverted corner effect to be created. Once both shapes are in place, select them together by clicking one shape and then the other while holding the appropriate selection key if needed. With both rectangles selected, click the Subtract operation from the Boolean tools. This action removes the overlapping section and creates the foundation for the inverted border radius effect. After applying the subtraction, move your cursor to the Properties panel on the right side of the screen and locate the Appearance group. Find the corner radius setting and enter a numerical value, or drag the control like a slider to increase the radius visually. Adjust the value until the corners achieve the desired curved appearance.